Hello. I just actually finished installing a trailer hitch to my 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. I don't see too many videos specifically for the hybrid, for the most part it's the same as the regular Camry. I actually bought the Draw-Tite 36416, and it's pretty true to form for the instructions. Basically, there are some parts that you have to remove on the bottom, like a plastic trim, and a metal bracket on the driver's side. But you also have to drop the exhaust, which is held on by 4 rubber grommets. We can maybe take a peek underneath just to take a look, see what happened. So basically, there are these. You see how these are held in by 2 bolts. Originally there was a metal bracket with 3 bolts in it. You just remove that. And then on the other side, I had to drop the exhaust. And there are 2 rubber grommets up here. I don't know if you can see them, holding the exhaust up. And you can also see the 2 bolts that are holding the frame here, holding the trailer to the car, or the trailer hitch to the car. There are also these 2 bolts. You actually have to drill the 2 holes. They're 1/2-inch holes through the spare tire well. But other than that, everything was basically true to the instructions. There are the 2 rubber grommets for the exhaust here, and there are 2 more up here. I don't know if you can see them. Basically, there's one there following the exhaust, and then you're basically, I think, right around here. So if you have any questions, leave some comments below. I'll try to answer them as well as I can. Thank you.